Well, hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new, you're so welcome and appreciate it. Well guys, today I created some high-end marble trays, and I also did a vase. But guys, I love the way these turned out because they're just this timeless classic elegance that you have with marble trays. So the first one was an octagon marble tray, and I did some crystal feet for it, and it's so opulent and gorgeous. And then I also created a one with gold handles and gold gilded edge, and guys, I love the way these turned out. They're perfect for showcasing everything. And last, I did a really pretty glam vase that, guys, this was so simple and easy, but it has a big impact. So guys, I went to Floor & Decor. I didn't go to Home Depot or Lowe's, but I went to Floor & Decor because I got two of these pieces for only $7.19. The octagonal one is Bianco, and the other one is actually Carrara marble. So guys, forget about it. So I went ahead and cleaned them up, and this is the way it looks. They're so beautiful, and I love the veining in them, and they're so heavy. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to go ahead, I had these pieces left over from a previous DIY with the lamp, and I wanted this piece to just have these crystal feet to it to give it that really opulent look, but high end and really glam. E6000 does the trick. All you do is apply it to each of them and just let it dry down. And guys, this tray is beautiful. It's perfect for showcasing everything. You can have artisanal cheeses on this. I can imagine pastries or even quick bites when you're entertaining, but it's just so beautiful. And I'm going to use it as a trivet, and I'm going to also use it in my kitchen and other places in my home, but it's just so timeless. So for my next DIY, this one is the Carrara marble. First thing I'm going to do after cleaning this up is add the floor protectors. These are to prohibit any scratching or any banging. They're perfect. All you have to do is just apply them, and they're self-adhesives, so it's really quick and easy. Now for this, I'm not going to be using the E6000. I need something a little bit stronger because it is very heavy. So I used the Gorilla Epoxy, and it's already set up for you. It even comes with the tray and a mixing stick. Mix it for 20 seconds and then apply it to the handle. I had these already, these drawer pulls left over from previous projects, but if you want to get any handles, you can get them really cheap at the store, any big box store, or I could leave the items in the description bar below if you're interested. And I just waited for it to cure overnight because it's so heavy, and then I went back and added some gold paint. You can use a gold paint pen also, and as you can see, it came out beautiful. And this is just 2 coats. So guys, this is perfect. It's really nice, timeless, classic, elegant gold finish to it that you can pull out and use for so many different occasions for year after year, because it's never ever going to go out of style. And I love the way it turned out. And my last DIY is a vase. This is from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to tape it off and paint it. I'm going to be using the same color gold because my colors in my kitchen are actually really pretty creams and golds. But you can use, of course, whatever color you want. And after you tape it, all you're going to do is just paint the bottom of it. Of course, there'll be a line of demarcation. And I was going to leave it with just a gold bottom, but then I decided to really glam it out and make it really extra high end because those other pieces are very high end marble trays. So I wanted to do that also. So after it dried down completely, I went ahead and applied some Mod Podge, and I got my crushed glass with a little bit of glitter, and I just applied it. And guys, it was that simple. Wherever you want this to go, just apply the Mod Podge, and then of course I went back over it later with a little bit more Mod Podge to make sure that everything stayed in place. Guys, does this not look so beautiful? It's so gorgeous. I wish you could see what it looked like when it's not on camera, but it's just gorgeous. So I love these high-end DIYs that I created today. But guys, what you can do is go pick these up and make these yourself. They came out so beautiful, and they're perfect, like I said, for showcasing so many things. So if you guys like this DIY, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell twice for notifications. And guys, thank you so much for watching.